Alright, so here we have the Link MXG 1.2 Strata 7-inch display installed on Andrew's Cresta. So we have the street version, as this is a street car. So let's see here. Give me a second to boot up. Alright, so as you can see, we still have all the street car icons. So we have the check engine light here, oil pressure switch, low fuel, coolant temp, have turn signals. There's right, there's left, we got high beams, and yeah, all the street car stuff. So we have 3 different screens on the dash, all with valuable information. So I've programmed these cool little icons on the bottom of the screen too. So e-brakes on, e-brakes off, on, off. It'll even let you know if a door is open.
Where does it let you know when you're
So we have intake air temp, odometer, lambda, manifold pressure, mile an hour, and engine RPM. We also have our gear selector in the center for the S1 Sequential. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. And then neutral, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Screen display with pretty much the same information, ethanol content. We even have a fuel level here, have a low fuel icon that pops up when he's low on fuel, anything below 25%, and then yeah.
Tell us about the Sequential.
So this is a Grannas Racing T56 transmission conversion, and this is the S1 Sequential shifter. So pretty much it's just forward and back.
Not much.
No, not much to sauce. First gear, and if you want reverse, you push down, down and back, and there's reverse. To start spooling, and when we hit full boost, so we also set up the boost by gear function in the Link ECU, since now we have gear detection. That way we can try to eliminate some wheel spin.